we're at the Gilson House, and this is God's TV back here in the backyard. Oh yeah, so we're gonna have a campfire out here at the Gilson House, and we got a couple ways of doing this. I'll try to prop this up so you can see it. I don't know if I can. It doesn't really matter. There's a ton of bugs out here. I don't know. It doesn't matter. Yeah. I don't know. So we'll try that. And so what we're going to do is we got these little fire starters here. We're going to do that. We got one going. Throw it down in there. Try not to burn ourselves up. Got another one here. Try not to burn ourselves up. Try to tuck that down in there. Yeah. So we got that in there. And the secret is that you have to have the fire below the burning source. Ow, motherfucker. It's fucking hot. Yeah, so, yeah, you do that. I don't know how good this is coming over. Yeah, you do that. Little fire sources. And then we got a little Girl Scout water here. Some Kingsford lighter fluid. We used to call this Girl Scout water when we were in the Boy Scouts. Because if you couldn't start a fire, they called this Girl Scout water. And it's like, I'm going to stand back when I do this. All right, but trying to get the top off correctly. But yeah, we're having a campfire at the Gilson House tonight again. Actually, I don't even think I need to do this, but I will. Yeah, there we go. That's Girl Scout water for all you Boy Scouts. In case you give up on starting a fire. Now, I just wanted to get this fire going quick. So there you go. I got my two beautiful ladies back, all right, from Stutzman's Guitar Center. Got my Fender Strat back all set up. Johnny Onion would appreciate what that means. And I got my Alvarez acoustic, electric, all set up. They needed a lot of work, whatever. Anyways, here's Kelly, the killer calico cat. Say hi, Kelly. Hey, baby. Yeah, that's who I spend all my campfires with, my cat. Kelly. You gonna kill something tonight? All right, so we're gonna enjoy the campfire. There's Kelly, the killer calico cat. Yeah, I love her. Over and out.